Some cricket news now. The West Indies were swept 3-0 by India in their three-match one-day international series after losing the third match by 119 runs via the Duckworth-Lewis method in Port of Spain, Trinidad today.
Indians were off to yet another rollicking start at the top as standing captain Shikhar Dhawan and Shubman Gill put the bowlers to the sword. They punished the West Indies for 22.5 overs before Hayden Walsh provided the breakthrough, dismissing Dhawan for an aggressive 58 at 113 for 1. The rains came thereafter, but all it did was halt the assault for 90 minutes as Gill and Shreyas Iyer went on the attack, with the game now reduced to 40 overs per side. They added 86 runs together before Iyer departed for 44. All this time, Shubman Gill tilted towards his maiden century but was thwarted by the rain on 98. The Indians rushing up to 225 for 3 in 36 overs. With further time lost to complete the visitors' innings, the Windies were set a revised 257 in 35 overs. Needing to score at 7.3 runs per over, the Windies' innings hit rock bottom in 9 balls, as Barbadians Kyle Mears and Shamar Brooks departed in quick succession. The Caribbean men none for 2. Last match, Centurion Shea Hope and Brandon King tried to progress the innings, but when the stand reached 47, it was broken. Hope in a rush and became the first of 4 victims for Yuzvendra Chahal. King went on for an equal innings top score of 42 with captain Nicholas Puran. However, when the Jamaican was deceived by Akshar Patel, the innings subsided in the sunshine in Trinidad. Chahal, 4 for 17, spun a web around the hapless batsmen before the innings folded at 137 in 26 overs. The victory for India sees them holding the record for the most bilateral series win against a team, which stands at 12. And the regional team now on their second longest ODI losing streak since 2005 with 9 losses. The teams now turn their attention to the first of 5 T20 internationals on Friday. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.